G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I'm back again for Cyber Weeks, and we've got this fantastic pack here, and we're calling it the must-have pack. Now, what we've got in here, we've got 6 cans of the fantastic Wurth brake cleaner. Now, you'll see it's extra large 700ml cans, not the 500ml, but the large 700ml can. Now, they're fantastic, obviously for cleaning brake components, but for general workshop cleaning of all your components in a vehicle or whatever you're working on, be a forklift or a boat, a caravan even. Fantastic product, spray it on, cleans it off, it flashes off, and then you can repair the vehicle. So then it comes with 3 of the Wurth Rostoffs. Now, Rostoff is a penetrant. Its job is to creep in and loosen, or enable you to loosen, should I say, those rusted and seized bolts. It'll creep down inside the threads and it dissolves the rust. It doesn't get rid of it, but it just turns it into like a paste, and then you're able to remove the bolt. So you get 3 cans of that. It's fantastic. Next is HHS 200. So HHS 200 is a synthetic grease. Now, it's a white colour, and you use it on your door check straps and things like that. It doesn't collect dirt, all right? So won't get dirt into the grease. But you can also use it on sunroof, tracks, and lots of different jobs in the vehicle. So we've got those 3. And then over here, we've got the fantastic Wurth active glass cleaner. So when you're using the glass cleaner, you just give it a spray, and you'll see on the bench here, it's like a white foam. And then you just get a rag and you wipe it all off. It won't leave any streaks, and it's fantastic for removing dirt and bugs and fingerprints and all that stuff off your glass. So there you go. There's the pack. Now, this pack is only available this week for Cyber Weeks, and it's online only. So get onto the Wurth app or e-shop and check it out. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And this pack, it's ready for work.